I'm William Grantham for IchimokuWeather.com with the stock market weather report for Pros Holding Incorporated, February 10th, 2021. Pros Holding Incorporated is in the technology sector and is in the software application industry. Pros Holding Incorporated offers artificial intelligence solutions that power commerce in the digital economy worldwide. The current price on the weekly determines our season, and we are inside a red cloud, so that means that we are in springtime. It'll become summer if we can get above, and it'll become winter if we fall below. On the daily chart, we are inside the cloud as well. We are below the blue line, and we are below the red line. Price is like a hot air balloon with the buyers turning up the heat making the balloon go up and sellers turning down the heat making the balloon go down. The blue line is our wind line and the red line is our jet stream. We are in springtime. It is cloudy and very windy, and we are between pressure systems causing the winds to gust more than normal. In November, we popped up out of the cloud on above average volume, getting above the black line. The black line is our 200 period simple moving average. It's like our chase truck trying to catch up to price. For a couple of days, it held as support underneath, and then for a couple of days, it was resistance up above until we did get above it, and then we started to make a run up along the wind line with conviction moving up higher until we started to round out approximately at the start of the first of the year. Then we fall underneath the wind line, go underneath the jet stream, and come down, and the cloud itself does not provide much support, and we fall into the cloud while staying below the blue line and below the red line. Now, when the wind line, the blue line, crosses underneath the jet stream, that is a bearish signal. When it happens above the cloud, it's a weak bearish signal. If it happens inside the cloud, it's a medium bearish signal. And if it were to happen below the cloud, that would be a very strong bearish signal. Market action then consolidated for a few days, popped up above the wind line, and then earnings came in, and the next day we did on above average volume get up above the jet stream, closed in the middle of our channel, and then the next day opened in the middle of the channel and closed below the wind line. Being inside the cloud, we do have lots of turbulence to deal with. Our lagging green line is underneath market action, and you can see here from our cone of possibilities that the lagging green line would have to get up above market action, the wind line, and the jet stream before it become free and clear and show momentum to the upside for price. Price would probably have to get up above the top of the cloud for that to happen. Our forecast shows a very thinning green cloud, then it twisting over to a red cloud, and that is a bearish sign. And we also have the 200 period simple moving average underneath us as support, and also the flat line at the bottom of the cloud. Let's jump over on the weekly and take a look at the support there. Here on the weekly, we do have the 200 period simple moving average on the weekly coming up as support, and underneath it we have a long flat red line. That is going to give us support below at approximately the $38.22 line, and a little bit before that we also had a flat red line, and that's also going to give us support. And so this is creating a nice support zone with the bottom of the cloud in between 35 and 38. Above us as resistance, we have the top of the cloud here coming in at about $47.49. Looking back on the daily to see where these fall, you can see that our support line on the weekly is also where the bottom of the line, bottom of the cloud is on the daily. So we do have that as support below us with the 200 period simple moving average. Above us, we do have the top of the cloud, the resistance from the weekly, and also the resistance from the jet stream here. This is your stock market weather report for Pros Holding Incorporated, February 10th, 2021. We are in springtime. It is cloudy and very windy, and if we can get a shift in the winds, that might bring in some light drizzly rain. I'm William Grantham with IchimokuWeather.com.